Hello friends, welcome back to my channel mynetgyan.com. Today we will be doing another practical which shows difference between hub and switch. In this practical we will see how a hub is a different device than a switch. Although both hub and switch are devices which are used to connect different devices into star topology. Let's start with the working of a hub. First of all, we will go to the devices in which these are the routers, then this is the hub, switches and hub. Click on the hub, select one generic hub and click it on the logical area. So my hub is now at my logical area. Now we are going to connect some of the PCs with this hub. Simply go to the end devices, click on end devices, press Ctrl, then click on generic PC, and we will be collecting some of the PCs in star topology. Next, we have to choose the wires to go to connection, because hub and PC are different devices. We will be connecting them with the help of the straight cable. Now go to PC 0, select one of the port. We have selected fast Ethernet port. Go to hub, select port 0. We have selected it. Now we can also use an automatically chosen connection type from this option. Click on PC1 and click on hub. Click on again, press Ctrl, click on PC2, click on hub, PC3 hub, PC4 hub, PC5 and hub. Now all these green signals shows that they are physically connected to each other. Now we are going to give IP addresses to all the PCs. Go to PC0, click on it, go to desktop, IP address. So I will be assigning it IP address 192.168.10.100, which is a class C IP address. Press tab. By default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Similarly, I am going to assign IP address to all the PCs. I will copy the IP address, go to PC1, desktop, IP configuration, put here 101, go to PC2, desktop, IP configuration, give the IP address 102, go to PC3, desktop, IP configuration, give IP address 104, go to PC4, desktop, IP address 105, it is 103, PC3 is 103, PC4 is 104, and PC5 is 105. I have given the IP addresses to all the PCs. So just to click on this, I am writing here IP address 192.168.10.100. So I will be copying this IP address. Control C, again Control V, so I can drag it to at this location of PC1, which is 101. Now for this location, one 102, 103, 104. Make it a habit to label the entire setup so that it is easy to work on it. So we'll put these IP addresses at the right places. This is 105, this is 100, this is 102, this is 103. We should make a habit to do proper labeling of the diagram. Now all the PCs are connected to the hub. It is making a start connection. Now we will go to the simulation mode. In simulation mode, we will be selecting the protocols to be used. So we have clicked show all oblique none. It will clear all the protocols. Go to edit filter and select ICMP protocol only. Now we will be able to look into the working of the hub. Take, just like the previous experiments, take one of the packet. We're taking one of the packet. Click on the packet, go to PC0, click on PC1. Now we will see how this packet is moving from PC0 to PC1. Press on capture and forward. So your packet starts from PC0. The packet is ready. Now it goes to hub. From PC0 packet goes to hub. Then from hub, the packet moves to a copy of the packet goes to all of the PCs, because hub don't know the IP address of the PCs. So packet is destined to all the PCs, and the only PC, which was PC1, it has accepted the packet, but rest of the PCs have rejected the packet. If I press again capture and forward, so again packet is acknowledgement of the packet is sent back to the hub. Again when I press capture and forward from hub, again because hub is a non-learning device, so again all the packet is sent to all the PCs. So only PC0 has accepted the packet and rest of the PCs have rejected the packet. This was the first scenario. Now you can see it is successful communication. In we can delete it. Again we can check for some other pair of computers. Click on the packet, go to PC5, and again it go to PC2. Now again capture and forward, packet is with PC5. From PC5 it goes to hub. From hub it is transmitted to all the PCs, because only it is meant for only for PC2. So PC2 has accepted it and rest of the packets have rejected it. Again press capture and forward. So PC2 sends an acknowledgement packet back to hub. Again press capture and forward. Hub sends that acknowledgement packet to all the PCs. Now except PC5, all other PCs have rejected the packet. This shows you are working of a hub. Next is working of switch. We will see how your switch is different from hub. Taking one more scenario, taking one of the switches. Let's take the switch, click on the work area. Now taking the devices, press Control, click on one of the generic computers. So we will be putting here PC6, PC7, PC8, PC9 and PC10. Now we will be connecting it, because switch and PC are different devices. We will connect it with the help of the cross cable. Click on it, PC6, fast Ethernet 0. Click on the hub. You can select any one of the port. Let it be fast Ethernet 0 by 1. Similarly, we can connect other PCs also. Fast Ethernet 0, then 0 by 2. Similarly, we can press Control and automatic choose connection type, so it will be connecting your cables automatically. Next step is we have to assign IP address to the PCs. Control V, let it be 106. Control V 107. Paste here. Control V 108. Control V 109. Control V 110. Now we will be assigning these IP addresses to all the given PCs. Go to PC6, desktop, IP configuration 10.106. Press tab. Go to PC7, IP address, control 108, desktop, IP address. Go to PC9, desktop, IP address. Go to PC10, desktop, IP address. Now we'll start topology using switches connect is with us. So we'll checking out. So I will writing here start topology using switch. So here we write start topology using now we will see working of a switch. Again go to simulation mode. Already protocol which is selected is ICMP. So I will drag this window to this side so that we are able to see the simulation at the switch. Click one packet, go to PC6 and let it be pair is PC9. Now I will click over here, go to capture and forward. Now packet is ready with the PC6. Capture and forward. Packet goes to switch. Capture and forward. It goes to PC9. Again capture forward. It comes back to switch. Acknowledgement comes back to PC6. Now we have seen that the packet which was destined for PC9 goes to PC9 only, and the packet which is acknowledgement packet which is destined for PC6, it goes to PC6 only, because your switch is a learning device, so it learns all the all the addresses of all the PCs which are connected to it. So let's see another pair of PCs. For example, your packet goes from PC10 to PC7. Now if I press capture and forward, packet is ready with PC10. Capture and forward, packet moves to switch. Capture and forward, packet moves to PC7. It has accepted it. Acknowledgement sent back to switch. Acknowledgement sent back to PC10. Now the delivery of the packet is acknowledged. Now we have seen that your switch is a learning device. In case of hub, again if we check the same experiment with the hub, you can see the difference between the two. Drag it here. Let's take one packet PC1 to PC5. So again it goes to hub. From hub it goes to all the PCs. So hub is not a learning device. From PC5 it comes, acknowledgement comes to hub, and it goes to all the PCs. Although we have already used this pair of these computers earlier also, but hub haven't learned this. This is the basic difference between switch and a hub. Thank you friends.